show you the easy way to do that. If you've never cut up a head of cabbage, I've got a few simple tricks that's going to make it an absolute breeze to do. The process will work with both red and green cabbage, as well as small or large heads. When selecting your cabbage, you want to make sure there are no soft or brown spots. Any other discoloration is an indication that the cabbage is already starting to spoil. You also want to look for ones with a firm, tight head and a hefty weight for its size to guarantee freshness. Remove the outermost layer, as well as any additional soft or damaged leaves. Give the head a quick rinse under running water to remove any lingering dirt or debris. You'll want to start by trimming and removing the stem end. This creates a nice flat base so it's stable while cutting. We then want to remove that core in the middle of the cabbage before we start shredding it. To do this, you'll want to place the cabbage flat side down onto the cutting board. Cut the head in half, and then again into quarters. Locate the core in the middle of each quarter and cut at an angle to remove it. Thinly slice the cabbage quarters to get pieces that are roughly 1/4 inch thick and 3 inches long. Repeat this with the remaining quarters. See, wasn't that so easy? Now if you need a recipe to use up all of this cabbage, then you have got to check out this fried cabbage with bacon right over here. Thanks so much for hanging out. I will see you in the next one.